What's going on, guys? And for today, we are going to discuss the best Medicare Advantage plans and providers of 2025. Medicare Advantage plans offer comprehensive coverage beyond traditional Medicare. Top providers like CIGNA, United Healthcare, Kaiser Permanente, and Humana provide affordable options with additional benefits. Each offers unique strengths, catering to diverse healthcare needs and preferences across the U.S. Let's start with CIGNA. CIGNA offers a comprehensive range of Medicare Advantage plans, including health maintenance organization, preferred provider organization, special needs plans, and private fee-for-service options. These plans are designed to cater to diverse healthcare needs and preferences. CIGNA's plans often feature low or no monthly premiums, along with extra benefits such as dental, vision, and hearing coverage, as well as transportation and over-the-counter benefits. Additionally, CIGNA provides a Part B giveback program, which can reduce Medicare Part B premiums for eligible members. Their extensive network includes over 1.5 million healthcare professionals and contracts with nearly all U.S. pharmacies, ensuring that members have access to quality care across the country. This wide network and comprehensive coverage makes CIGNA a strong choice for those seeking flexibility and affordability in their Medicare Advantage plans. United Healthcare. United Healthcare is another prominent provider offering highly rated Medicare Advantage plans with low monthly rates, often at $0. These plans typically include additional benefits like vision, dental, and hearing coverage, which are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. United Health is known for its wide network of healthcare providers and offers a variety of plan options to suit different needs. However, some users report mixed experiences with customer service and challenges in accessing necessary care. Despite these challenges, United Healthcare remains a popular choice due to its comprehensive coverage and affordability. The partnership with AARP also provides members with access to additional resources and discounts, enhancing the overall value of their plans. With a strong focus on preventive care and wellness programs, United Healthcare aims to support members in managing their health effectively. AETNA. AETNA provides Medicare Advantage plans that are highly rated for customer service, with many plans offering affordable rates and $0 premiums. AETNA's plans are available in various formats, including HMO and PPO options, allowing flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. While some plans may have higher out-of-pocket costs, AETNA's focus on customer satisfaction and its wide range of benefits make it a strong contender in the Medicare Advantage market. However, users may face difficulties in getting medical care approved, which can impact overall satisfaction. AETNA also offers additional benefits such as fitness programs and home safety assessments, which can enhance the quality of life for seniors. By providing a balance between affordability and comprehensive coverage, AETNA aims to meet the diverse needs of its members. Kaiser Permanente. Kaiser Permanente is renowned for its integrated healthcare system, offering comprehensive care with a strong emphasis on preventive medicine. Kaiser Permanente's Medicare Advantage plans are highly regarded for their quality and coordination of care. The organization's focus on holistic health includes not just medical treatment, but also wellness programs and community resources. However, availability is limited to specific regions, which can restrict access for those outside these areas. Despite this limitation, Kaiser Permanente's reputation for quality and its integrated approach make it a preferred choice for those who have access to its service. Members benefit from a seamless healthcare experience with easy access to specialists and robust electronic health record system that ensures continuity of care. This integrated model often results in better healthcare outcomes and higher member satisfaction. Humana. Humana offers Medicare Advantage plans with a wide geographic reach, providing coverage in many areas across the U.S. Humana's plans often include strong dental coverage, which is a significant benefit for many seniors who may struggle with dental care costs. While specific benefits in cost can vary by location, Humana's extensive network ensures that members have access to a broad range of healthcare providers. This flexibility, combined with additional benefits like vision and hearing coverage, makes Humana a popular choice among Medicare Advantage enrollees. Humana also focuses on wellness programs and community resources, aiming to support members in maintaining their health and independence. By offering a variety of plan options and emphasizing preventive care, Humana strives to meet the diverse needs of seniors across different regions. In conclusion, these top Medicare Advantage providers offer diverse plans and additional benefits, catering to various healthcare needs and preferences, ensuring comprehensive coverage for seniors. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.